This is Donald, and Donald just made $2,400 before his coffee got cold. Not $24, not $240, $2,400 in one day from a laptop, a couch, and a system most monkeys scroll past because it sounds too good to be true. Spoiler, it's not. But it's also not what you think. See, every finance influencer on the internet loves throwing around numbers like $72,000 a month, and 90% of the time, it's a screenshot of one good week stretched across 30 days sold to you as a guaranteed system. Monkey isn't doing that. This is the actual math, the actual method, and the actual catch nobody mentions in the thumbnail. So, how does Donald actually pull $2,400 in a single day? Donald didn't get lucky. Donald stacked 4 separate income streams that individually sound unimpressive. Together, they add up fast. Stream 1, high-ticket freelance services. Not $20 gigs writing product descriptions. Donald sells one specific service, done for you AI automation setups for small businesses. Companies pay him $800 to $1,200 per project to build a simple chatbot or automate their customer emails using tools that already exist. He doesn't build anything from scratch, he configures existing software. Takes him about 3 hours per client. Stream 2, productized consulting calls. Donald charges $300 for a 45-minute call where he audits a business's marketing funnel using AI tools and gives them an action plan. He's done this call so many times he could do it asleep. 2 calls a day, $600. Stream 3, digital products on autopilot. Donald built one template pack 8 months ago, a Notion dashboard for small business owners. It sells for $47. He doesn't promote it daily, it just sits on a marketplace, sells 3 to 5 copies a day passively through search traffic alone. That's $150 to $235 a day, doing literally nothing. Stream 4, affiliate commissions from the exact AI tools he uses in Stream 1. When his automation clients sign up for the software he recommends, he gets a recurring commission. Small individually, adds up across dozens of clients over time. Roughly $200 to $300 a day at this point. Added up, $900 plus $600 plus $200 plus $300. On a strong day, that's $2,000 to $2,400. Some days it's less. Some days, when a big client signs, it's more. Now here's the part nobody puts in the thumbnail. This took Donald 14 months to build. Not 14 days, not a weekend, 14 months of testing what worked, what didn't, what clients actually wanted versus what he assumed they wanted. The first 3 months, Donald made basically nothing. Some days, negative after software subscriptions. The $72,000 a month headline you see online? That's the best month, not the average month. Average month for someone running this exact system properly is closer to $30,000 to $45,000. Still genuinely excellent income, still completely doable from home, just not the cherry-picked screenshot version. So, is this actually replicable? Yes, but only if you do the boring part first. The boring part is picking one skill, automation, copywriting, design, whatever, and getting actually good at it before trying to stack multiple income streams. Donald didn't start with 4 streams. He started with 1. Got good, got clients, then layered the next one on top once the first was stable. Most monkeys watching videos like this skip straight to Stream 4, the passive affiliate income, because it sounds the easiest. It's actually the hardest to start with because it requires an audience or existing clients to convert. Start with Stream 1, always. The tools matter less than people think. ChatGPT, Claude, Zapier, Make, these are interchangeable. What doesn't change is the skill of actually solving a business problem with them. That's the entire business model in one sentence. So if you're watching this looking for a magic button, there isn't one. But if you're watching this willing to spend 3 boring months building one real skill before chasing the big number, This is genuinely how monkeys are pulling 4 figures a day from home in 2026. The system works. It's just slower and less glamorous than the title suggests. If any monkeys are confused, this is just a simple explainer about online income systems. This is not financial advice. Please do not sue